Gorgeous private maintenance-free living 4.5 miles to the historic district and onto the beach. Walk to shopping and restaurants, and your favorite coffee cafe? The IBIS floor plan is super smart in design, spilling over with natural light, high ceilings, and a natural, easy flow. Open CONCECT Great Room, and a generously sized separate dining area, featuring custom wall molding accents. 2 comfortable bedrooms plus a den. You will love the huge open kitchen, extra long breakfast bar, real wood 42 inches crown cabinetry, solid surface countertops, tiled backsplash, closet pantry, and quality appliances, a double French door refrigerator, perfect. Split floor plan for privacy. Elegant designer touches like Crown Moulding Everywhere, Plantation Shutters Everywhere, and fold-away blinds on the lanai sliding glass doors. Your practical site will appreciate an extra-large laundry room with cabinet storage and utility sink. Hurricane shutters for peace of mind.